I'm Dr. Nageswar. I'm working as a chief consultant from Vijayawada, Sentini Hospital, working as a consultant. And I've used Meril since 2 years. I was doing all these Meril products. I've used lot of products like starting from the valves, IABP, shunts, and other things which are basically this valves, mechanical valves. Majorly I used mechanical valves. It is very nice to previously what I have faced difficulties by rotating the valves and everything. Now it is good for rotating also, it is very good. And leaflet movements, whether you use subvalve preservation, in that also I have faced a good thing that was faced previously problems. Now it's good with Meril valve. And especially for the bioprosthetic valve, I have not used NEO, but as a Dafodil valve, it is good in the aortic position. What I faced with the mitral position is usually the strut problem. Now they are telling that this NEO, Dafodil NEO has taken challenge that reduced the size of the struts. So that also problem, it was solved with that. And regarding the coronary shunts also, it is very nice to use the flexibility of putting the shunts while they are doing coronary surgeries. And most important thing is IABP. IABP is this very nice to use first while inserting it. That is the only little bit problem while inserting through, especially for the catheter while inserting. Otherwise, it is a good to how many days you are using, it is working nicely balloon wise. Only insertion is a problem little bit. Otherwise, it is a good nice to do this all.